Have you ever discovered a place on social media and suddenly thought, okay, I need to see this for myself? That's exactly what happened when I came across La Jolla Farm Resort in Aluginsan, Cebu. Honestly, this is my first time visiting and I don't really know what to expect. I just saw the beautiful place online, got curious, and thought, why not come and experience it myself? So today, I'm taking you along with me as we explore La Jolla Farm Resort. From the scenery, the atmosphere, food, and the overall experience. Is it really as beautiful as it looks online? Is it worth a trip? And would I recommend it? Well, we're about to find out. Tara! Let's explore La Jolla Farm Resort in Aluginsan, Cebu.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the Good morning, sir.
Yes, Deus kuya.
Ang Diyos.
Oo.
Ilan ka ba, sir?
Opat. Oo.
Hello?
Perfect.
Pwede ka tong dako ako Charot. Saan, init or bugnaw?
Bugnaw.
Perfect. Ay, ka nice. Hi everyone, good morning. So it's a Sunday, that's August 16? August 16, 2026, and it's already 9:33 a.m. And andito po tayo ngayon sa La Jolla Eco Farm. Tama ba? La Jolla Farm here in Aluginsan, and it's gonna be another adventure, another experience, and another vlog. So once again, this is me, Fiang Heartstrong again, and welcome back to my channel. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Aluginsan, Cebu, kasi we are trying the day use po ng La Jolla Farm. So, this is one of the location or resort or farm resort na inaabangan ko, or I'm always planning to visit, and this time nangyayari na siya kasi we were able to visit here together with Rusty,
Hi guys, good morning.
Alfred, and Homer, because Homer was yesterday's his yesterday's birthday.
And yesterday was also our 82nd month.
Monthsary, yeah. So, it's a double celebration, pero ano lang siya, simple, kasi it's a day use lang, hindi siya overnight, kasi medyo mahal. I-check natin yung price mamaya, but it's gonna be fun, and we will be having a lot of activities here in La Jolla. So, let's go. Andito tayo ngayon sa reception area ng La Jolla Farm, and tanungin natin si Madam, yung receptionist, yung staff, kung ano yung mga kailangan nating malaman dito sa La Jolla Farm. Let's go! So, dito guys, dito yung map. Marami silang activities actually. Meron silang hiking, meron silang mga biking, merong pool. So, dito tayo mamaya. Tapos, I think andito tayo. You're here. Dito yung car park. Tapos, ang daming mga camping, glamping dito. May mga villas. Meron silang mga amenities. Here, may pool pa din dito. So, this is La Jolla Farm Resort and Spa. So, pwede na siyang gawing eco-farm. Why not? So, ito yung, sabi ng staff, ano daw siya, parang display lang siya. But this is really not functioning. It's just a display binocular. And then, ito yung sofa. Ito yung mga souvenirs, handcrafts. And then, ito yung mga finger foods.
Atong garden niya, sir. Kwan siya, sir, 8 bunk beds na siya inside. Yes.
Ito yung mga eco bag. Magkano yung bag, miss?
It's 1,800.
Handcraft or machine?
Machine siya, ma'am. But
Ah,
nice
okay.
siya, ma'am.
Pito, quality niyo ba kay 1,000. 1,800?
Yes.
1,800 guys. So what makes it expensive?
Materials na lang.
Materials. Pero kung dito no, mura awa.
So daw, sana try.
If you this, parang ano siya, very very durable.
Hold up.
So, meron silang mga sunscreen, mga off lotion kasi syempre it's a farm no. So expected na may mga lamok. So meron siyang mga massage and spa services. So ito yung prices. 1,000. So from 1,500 to 2,000 yung spa. Okay. So you accept credit card.
Yes.
All major credit cards, no? So actually 0% installment?
For the
Okay. So no outside food and drink is allowed. So meron din sila mga t-shirts.
Okay, sorry na akong get na.
Pila?
120 na. Go. Tulo ba na karon? Nice man. Ako ko na.
Ano yung pinakanin
Ako may
doon?
bayad, ako may bayad. Tulo ba ni karon?
Weather, ito yung labas, guys. Magdo-drone tayo mamaya. Oh my God, so refreshing. Hello, familiar! Dai, they accept credit card.
Alam mo din ang owner. Hi. Atong official owner ako.
Nag-ocular visit. Nag-site visit mo, Dai?
Lagi ko pa sa ako. Ay, sa ulo, nasa telescope.
Dili ko na mo work.
Adi na mo work. Basta yun. Magbayad na ta?
Ano
Hindi
ko
na,
na? Ako ang get mo.
Credit card ko na sa
Yeah.
Ay, sige na. Limondor ang telescope. Dari sa kabe.
Miss, pila gito ang day use, Miss? 1,000.
yes, 1,190 for
And
the
that-
use. Then, na siya set lunch nga inclusion. And then, you can also, na siya po yung 1 round of beverage. And then, naapot tayo makapili sad mo sa ato ang ice cream. Naapot tayo ice cream.
And also
then-
access sa pool,
Yes.
no?
Oh my God. Sige daw.
Okay, mo ni siya guys. So, nasa lay day use. So, you can this is the inclusion no kaning set of the lunch or food. Meron daw ice cream, drinks, round of drinks, and then access sa pool. So, until from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. na siya no until sa imuhang ganahan na kuan. So, sa imong 1,099 mo na ni siya. 'Di ba? And then they accept credit cards. Wala mo yung kind of mga activities that are like zip line, mga ano.
But we do have like pickleball na pwede.
Pickleball.
Nandito na mo to na sa ubos?
Ang nadri sa park is
Oh, lagi ito sa park.
Yes.
So aside sa pickleball, wala na.
naatay, badminton, mga outdoor sports.
Mga
na
outdoors lang. So dili yung katong mga activities nga mga zip line, mga ang welcome drinks. Let's try this one, guys. This is the welcome drink. Ayan. Ay, very natural. What's cucumber? Cucumber?
Dahil nakapili naman sa mga aday.
Ay, sorry. Mapali ko kapili din.
Ang ihao sakit ng ginataang kalabasa sa akin.
Labon sa imo halab. Asa may recommend yung ano miss?
Murag na ani tamarind. No?
Yes.
Wala.
Kuan siya ang lemon.
Kanina lang akong...
and then-
Ay, nana mo tinola, day. Ganahan mo, day, ka ng kuanta na base. Good for one, na siya, miss.
Yes.
Okay. Kanina lang ako. O saan yung nga tinola?
Bisayang manok na siya.
Oh, perfect.
Like, kanang bowl nga gamay. Kanina lang ako, oo.
Ano ako alam?
Tomato soup.
Ito soup chicken
Ah,
salad.
yeah, yeah, tomato soup, chicken salad.
Lamig siya, no? Lamig siya pagka-punch.
Ma-feel ni mo yung mga
So, sa pipino.
So, dili siya.
lemon.
So, makonjo ninyo nga kanang natural.
Yan, natural.
Okay.
Basta ang baso makaw, ano?
Kana gani siya, okay pa ni.
Oo. Makaon siyang leaves.
Ang amo, ma'am, katong first kay kani. Apilon ni. Kada ba ani babe? Ano ko mo tayo? Akan ni lamig din sa. Ano ba po pagkain ng strawberry nga po?
Normal na ni iyang mga pulp to.
Yes.
Okay. Tinuod yun igingon ni Homer. Ni Wendy, guys. Hangol si Homer. Wala to siya naganahan siya.
Gitagi ka rin na.
Wendy, tinuod yun yung Wendy. Pwede ko mo borrow ato, ma'am? Awa guys, Sunstar. Oh guys, my God, na-feature sila sa Sunstar. And they are Best Destination Resort. Certified that La Jolla Farm Resort and Spa has won the Best of Cebu 2023 Fun Place. Ayan guys, if you can see that.
Mo sa mo ice tea or soda?
Miss, thank you, Miss.
Massage, we need a prior appointment like 1 to 2 hours before the scheduled appointment. And then we do also have farm tour that will start at 9 a.m. since pwede mo magpa-schedule tag farm tour ma'am if you'd like. And then we also have hiking trail for the kung ano na siya for the in-house guests.
Mga pila ka minutes ni?
Ang atong farm tour is approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour siya. So, depende if mag-enjoy mag-feed sa mga animals.
Ay, tama. Gagot muna na yung tigang man.
And then we also have movie night. So kani siya pag sa mag-overnight stay.
Overnight.
And then so mo na siya atong bikes is under maintenance siya. Then we do have our game room. So pwede po mo mag-access atong game room. So mo na siyang available games inside. And then we also have outdoor sports. We have basketball, volleyball, badminton, and pickleball. So if you need necessary equipments we have here, you can borrow lang. And then apod tay
Nasa like paid sa mi.
activities nga which corresponding fee, the bonfire which is 850%. So ang set is good for 3 to 4 packs na siya. Then pizza making for 800 per person, then pot planting is 450 per person.
Okay guys, so daan mi sa arrival orientation and we'll head na sa dun sa may malapit sa pool and sa bar. Let's go! Green dust. Wow! Nindot kayo silag farm on. Uy, dako ilang pool, guys. Yes, nara diri o accessible ro. Nice. Uy, mura siya retreat. 5G sad sila diri no. Guys, kusog kayo silag signal diri sa data. 5G. Medyo ano lang siya, no? Pricey ang ilang ilahang stay. I mean, ilahang day use. Wow, ka nice! Uy, Homer, happy birthday, Homer! Nagpayong-payong akong amig ka. Hala ka nice, dari mag-duty, mag-edit o vlog. Hawa, guys. Let's go. Wala siya table for 4. Lawasig mo. Mga wag kang Julin, ha?
Work na.
Oh, go. Dili lang ko dahil interest ako mag-edit sa ko.
Nice ng place.
Masa mga menu?
Very
Awa guys, ninot kaya ang iyahang pool guys. Dako kaayo guys. Nice, oy. Nice kaayo siya, in fairness. So, mo ni ang Muni Muni Restaurant and Bar. So, with dako siya space, o in fairness. Nice, oy. Interested kayo sa ilahang sticker rice. Muntag available ra. Let's order.
Ma'am, dili ato available ang atong iced tea. So, the only drinks that available to us is Coke lang. So, is it okay, mag-Coke lang?
Lab, walay iced tea, lab. Coke lang available. Coke lang.
Okay. And then,
Please, naolong ang sticker rice.
Sure.
Order na kong sticker rice.
Sige. And then also, ma'am, so dili mo mag-fruits, ma'am?
Mag?
So, mag-fruits. So, apil man sa option na to ang
Bitaw.
fruits mo.
Sige, go.
So, mag-fruits.
Kuha ko lang na mo tanan ng
Okay, sige, ma'am.
Kaming duha, no?
Yes, ma'am. So, tuhan siya ka-fruits po.
Sige, sige.
So,
Thank
sticker
you.
rice, pila ka-order, ma'am?
Lab, mag-sticker rice mo, dili na.
Ikaw ganahan ka. Ako sala sa damo ada.
Duha lang ka sticker rice. Pila ka yung sticker rice? Sige, sige. Order na lang,
And
ma'am.
then mo differentiate ba ang price na naa sa minimum kay mag-VAT pa man?
Sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Thank you. Busy kayo sila, guys. Busy kayo sila, guys. Ako sa mga trabaho ay. Di, unaha ang trabaho. Ako ano mo, day.
Imo day.
Oh, pasudlin lang kayo na mo kuhikuan.
Amo day.
2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Ikaw, naman eh. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. On ice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Ayan. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you very much. Order me caramel macchiato or cafe macchiato. Okay.
Ako lang gawin ito.
Sige. Thank you. Saan mag-order?
Ako lang
Same
pala
ra?
ng dragon fruit shake.
Okay. Follow lang, Kuya.
Dili, natulog ka na, para stay. Wato na stay. Nang take one. Duha man na.
Ako man ana din no.
Oh. So, dito ka pa dun ka. Di. Dito.
Bilang na to kayo siya daghanon guys. Sila sig. Tamis ra kayo.
Sige ko na stay. Sige ka.
Okay.
Di, ang katong ko.
Oy, ato aning duha.
Oh, sa ilan inyo ng duha din.
Abi nagkakuha ni gusto. Ibalik na.
Sana ti Homer.
Homer. Guys, abi dyan ako ara ni guys. Amo ali ding duha ni Homer. Kung ano daghan kaayo siya. Homer, ako na lang iiyabo ha. Sugar. Gamay naman lang. Uy, naku. Hala. Homer. Masig, paitan na kay ko.
Sinaw na ako ba?
Dugay pa tayo mga sticky rice.
Kami nito.
Okay. Ayan. Lo, kanindot sa ilang kuan. Uy.
Amo ano ng baso?
Ay, dili, pizza.
Wow. Oh my God. Ninot yung presentation. How much na siya, Day?
Nagpila ka na 2.
200 plus?
Hindi
Kani?
naman mo makapalit na sir.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Wow, guys. Awa, guys. This is what I'm looking for. Ayan. Nindot kaayo guys. Pag ingon ako nga naang lahoya ani kay nilahoya na jud ko diri.
Kasi ka mo lahoyan.
And bite.
Thailand bite.
Nag-order mo ka choco or part na ni siya no?
Bite mo na siya.
Na po siya hot choco guys. Ayan guys. Ayan.
Kaya part na si Kuya.
Kuya, thank you very much. Ayan guys, so let's try and taste their mango sticky rice.
Until I tasted you, know just how to make.
Ano siya ang kuan guys? Basta sa mga menu sa inclusion sa 1,199. Sinigang. Ayan. Tinola.
Paano na pa? Saan na yung mo? Netiso. Parang saan ito? Naman siya dugga. Kain.
Daming dugga. Kaya na ito nga.
Tama siya. Pet friendly. Pet friendly sa sila guys. Ayan. So, pwede sila ka ng Pomeranian.
Bulldog.
Pwede na siya. US, taga-US wala gikan. Poodle.
Balik ka.
Ayun guys, so, niabot na nga mo ice cream. Ayan, tan. Ito yung part sa may ice cream and may pa-fruit sila. So I love ube. Uy, ganahan ko ano yung doon. Muna siya ka ng pagkauna nila sa ilam.
Ay, ganun mo.
Later na ko kanong prutas kung magkaligo. Ipote na ako. Then na ha. Last na lang ako. Balabe.
Kiti ka diri mo, palengkoron ka diri ba?
Hi guys! So it's already 1:09 p.m. and mag-swim na kami dun sa pool. Go! So, nagdadyog payong, uy! Pila na naka-layer na, sunblock na, payong. Hey guys, ano lang muna tayo tour. Hi po! Lifeguard? Yan yung lifeguard nila guys. Very lifeguard. Ilista day.
Day trip na yun.
Diyan yung stairway. ano muna tayo guys, tour dito sa swimming area. So may mga alfresco table pero this is not the right time kasi ang init. Buti naka-sunblock kami. Yan. Yan, ito yung isa sa mga parang tiki hot cottage. Yan. Guys. Ito sa mga ano guys. Massage. So this is the massage. Okay. Ang lawak guys. So ito yung isa sa mga overnight accommodations. Ayan, mamaya mag-tour tayo. Ayan guys. So nakita nyo na sa drone kanina yung mga accommodations nila. But pupunta tayo doon mamaya. Swimming muna tayo guys. Ang init! Okay, shower muna tayo guys. There.
I do believe that you came up wrong. I thought I was only trying to be gentle. Said I should leave for the sun comes
Nice water.
You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Trying to reach out, I get nothing coming. Missing your touch, but do you miss mine? Then when you call, I'm excited for nothing. You said that you would if you just had time. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. You got hot, red hot now, babe. Can I melt it down somehow? Is there any time to find? Yeah. Said I should leave.
Okay na talaga dito na ako.
Time check, it's 3 p.m. guys and tapos na kami mag swimming, so let's go na sa taas and doon na kami magbihis, and after this relax, and then let's have a quick tour doon sa mas likod pa if kaya natin. So let's go. Hi guys, so time check, it's already 3:33 p.m. and nakabihis na kami guys and nakashower, tapos as promised I'll just have a quick tour dun sa kabila, yung sa mga rooms, kasi kaya pa naman sa energy. So, let's go. Ito guys, meron silang African talisay. I think isa to sa mga rooms. Here nga part. Ito yung likod ng likod ng bar and restaurant. Meron silang mga exclusive dragon fruit na mga plantation or garden, I'm not sure. So dito nila kinukuha yung yung dragon fruit na shake nila. Kasi nag-order yung kaibigan ko si Alfred ng dragon fruit shake. Ayan o, meron silang plantation or parang farm. Isa ito sa mga rooms. No, it's not a room, it's a function area. Okay. Function area siya, guys. Parang mga events. Ayan, ang ganda ng place, in fairness. Eto naman siya, guys.
Okay na talag?
Dali lang ka. Ito yung isa sa mga rooms. Asa? Ayan. So, meron siyang meron siyang mga pangalan yung rooms. Parang sa section Sampaguita, section Ilang-Ilang. Ayan. Doon tayo sa baba. So, guys. So quiet. Peaceful and relaxing. Ang daming flowers. Ayan. So if you visit here, guys, you should, you can really relax. Ito yung isa sa mga, Camp Oasis. Isa sa mga glamping nila. Pero medyo mahal siya, pero worth it. Ayan. Hindi na ako papasok kasi baka may guest. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Tapos, display ko na lang yung price based dun sa Facebook nila or sa website. Pero so far sa experience ko, guys, parang I would rate this farm resort na 9 out of 10. Tsaka yung service charge nila is very reasonable. Nasa siya, less than 100 pesos. And syempre farm siya. So, they will just bring the food from the restaurant to you, to your place, or to your table. So, deserve talaga nila na may service charge. Pero yung service charge nila is very reasonable. Ito yung fountain. Ito yung isa sa mga rooms. Ayan. Check natin. Make sure lang na walang guests. Ayan. So, ito sa mga rooms. Tapos sa drone ko kanina, dito sa part na to ang may mga rooms and yung mga dome. Ito siya. Ayan. Dito tayo. Ayan siya. Isa siya sa mga rooms. Ayan dyan. Ang ganda siya, guys. Maganda siya, guys. Pwede rin siya mag-camping, guys. Kasi may mga area naman na pwede mag-camping. Very peaceful. I won't actually add any music because I want you to hear the natural sound and natural vibe. Ayan. Meron pa dun. Sa taas. Meron pang isa na hindi natapos. Ayan. Pero for sure, may aircon to. May mga pa na dome na hindi pa tapos. Ayan. So, yan siyang mga garden. Ayan. Ito yung, may mga pickleball din siya, oh. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung parking lot. Ayan, ang laki ng parking lot nila. Ayan. Ayan. So I think that's the end of my travel vlog here at La Jolla Farm Resort. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I really appreciate your feedback, your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to your friends. So guys, Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Instagram, and my TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next travel vlog. That's all for now. Peace. Bye-bye.